Wano wetuli tiamba ulira ntende tulija kubanga lusakanya lusoka kulusoka basaba tibanya bolwa time okubanga tuli kulumanga speed mundikirize banirize omwana wacha basinga omulala oya ninde mungu teka kampulira ab'ekikulu obugalo bw'amaani kampulira ab'emayuge kampulira ab'ebusiki kampulira ab'ebugembe muliwa ate ab'ekamuli awo ndikuya ulira mugogo bwaibu nawo kanongera notereza mwenti ama bamama bababa abaluzalira abaguna abaluna kulwalira abagole tuli kutyamira mutenti eno wano era nga wetuli kujja okuba basebo ni banyabo abalangira tulijja kubanga tuba mutenti wano bababa musoni okubasonga mu mukono okuba bisanti bali kujja kubaawo era tujja kubasaba nti buli abayiso okuba batyamisa mubaleetenga mpolampola basebo ni banyabo abawagizi tulijja kubanga tutyamira ku saidi kuno abebuna ab'ekigulu ab'emayuge ab'ebukono mwena muliwa mwekubire ku obugalo bw'amaliro basebo ni banyabo mwebale ino kuba mwebale ino kutwegata kuna kula lero. Ladies and gentlemen, DJ sound it. DJ give me sound a little bit. Sound katona ino. Abembi mwena aba BTM mwina abembi bana bitone mwena muje kumotoka ya imwe bagemye mama honorable Namtamba muje kumotoka ya imwe sawa dino kale basaba banyabo abembi mwena aba BTM network MC banya bagemera mwena babintu bya internet bana bitone mwena tujye wale mama chembwa abasuubiza kikoze ki kitukirire tuli live ku Yes bo.
Wabanga ina YouTube.
Yeah man.
Oli ku TikTok.
Yes bo.
Nenda okutegeeza tuli live. Mwana abali tubona na Jamuli. Tuli Itanda, the home of the falls of Uganda.
Yeah.
And tuli kwenda kutegeeza.
Yes bo.
Tuli kuno na Lulungi. Aina ku owomukozi gw'2025 era nga alijja okutumbula ebyobulambuzi by'Ebusoga.
Yes bo.
So nga ate olwaleero nogera obategeeza DJ yasomye aliwo ino. So DJ talk to me.
So ndikwenda kubategeeza tuli kujja kubanga tufuna emmotoka gye
banabetone manyiga mama
dereva ajasaba ogikube mu kukuserefuwale
dakika ntono ino tulikwira kuwale kamera tulikufuna emmotoka y'abanabitone b'Ebusoga. Mama Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga ni Mama Honorable Helen Namutamba basuubiza. Promises made, promises kept, and here we go. Steady progress, protect the gains. Tetuliko sawa zino ndicho tuwo sounding otufune ebyaffe twagala kimu mmotoka
tetwagala kulusukola ki
twagala kuwulira kintu kyonna tujja nesaawa zino nga tusooka tufune ebyobugagga possession. Ndicho kiva sound. Kale banabitone abalijja okureceiving emmotoka era nga wena oli munabitone ng'oli mu audience oli mwembi oli comedian artist oli DJ nimwe ati kubanga nitwe bawainwa abantu bebuna bona Pati Jemima alikuwa chikira ina wanu mumami amani bamutimbye Pati Jemima aliwa ino tulina bakwini abandi oti 14 kuba mubiketezo ebyendawulo by'Ebusoga era nga muno muli mu butembe ojja mu maiso butembe kale
ebyo tusoma eby'oluzungu nze naakola eby'Olusoga.
tulina
mufune emmotoka mama tena wamaliza dompeyange abawongo atuwadde ati bikire engomba olwokudooga SK Events DJ kyali kubakona mubulye DJ oyo
DJ Soft.
Kadi DJ Shah.
Only two people that are holding the creative industry of Busoga at large so high. Tourism go to the job for Nalero. Atakuba ambassador of tourism at the same time. Egera Kolanga ambassador of creative industry. Busoga. Abatala naba mimungame bakobere abamukwaro abasimbyewo. Napaka edona ku olwalero. Tulinamo namu ya desire Shafik.
Obugalo bwana muwaya
alina emyaka 22 era alina diploma mu management.
Katukusoko kolego. Wamoli kusomera ery'omwana oyo. Iwo banga tavire mu sasa ya waimwe tusalawo bana basebali banyabo okuko obugalo. Kale
tunena mu desire alina emyaka 22 era alina diploma mu tuliyo kutambula social work and social administration.
Hatuje mwanzo. Alego no mugalo.
Yes. Kagoya Handrat.
Kagoya Handrat.
Mental science. Eranga musoga. Se wakoli hapo kutoka chikuyo.
Abe chikulu.
Eranga na kukobye. Asinga kuko wa mali kuko la yayenda. Yakola. Ebimunamira the Right Honorable Rebecca alitwala Kadaga the inspiration oyoni Kagoya Pilot. Kaba nina ikakatorin ene miaka abinina. Eranga ina degree in industrial art and design.
Yes, mo.
Eranga abamu klani ya Chisui ono abaye Butembe.
Abaye Butembe.
Well represented. Kwaba ni mbali the patience. Ene miaka abinina mulala. Certificate mulitubia mitindo. Pia mirembe. Emisono. Certificate in fashion. Exactly. Mutinga iwe. Mwene na ide ya kumerembe ya kutimba ya kwa kada ya chokola. Onumotu. Oyo mwana acho eranga. Okay. Certificate in fashion. Abamu ya tamti. Eranga abamu chiefdom jebeta. Tuliwalino. Tulina the hope.
Yes, mo.
Kabini eranga ina bachelors of arts with education. Baise wakoli eranga abamu chiefdom ya wakoli. Eranga kola ebetulia single kola mwile wa craft making.
Yes.
Volunteering.
Yes.
Modeling.
Yes.
Reading novels and traveling. Bana baina bubali chowebe. Iwa teteke za kwa mutunga renda kusina mutabo. Kusunga mawada. Akwende sa traveling bakoma kutambula. Tuonekeza kubali enda kutaidinda. Ladies and gentlemen, to the box of faith, yes, Moise Mugundu, Eranga ali kutoka kwa Queen Kagoya Anleta on Omwana by the Miss Tourism, and she has done nothing limited to greatness and exactly. Alikuwa kubunyinza entebe woma aye mwana akobye kasoke ndile kukumbali tugeze kwa uwundi. Ladies and gentlemen, with me, talk to me Mr. DJ and show me what you got on your door.
Kali basebo nibanyabo mondikirize nirize omwembi wa Kyabazinga eranga atukubemu tubenga tuyongere maizo basebo nibanyabo mwembe fube kitalo mondikirize ndanirize yaze aide atubenga oya mu bantu bali kugama ka kutunulala oya mu bantu Sada chikoma waka Osilikanga okwanda byofuni obokobera kondo Osilikanga albolire ku kigondo otawaira abantu Anga batoleko basiba ku nyama Amubolira Ndirira munumba yo Anga batoleko Moni bekolere noso Ebikono bya ku musada wo Omuswaza makago Ono ku muchala wo Omuswaza bakobo Emundu jobona Ngesa bajasi Weno munwako Kutwala kaganga Ebigamba sirikola Esirasi erumango Esirikola Ebigamba sirikola Esirako kaya kate Esirikola Ebigamba sirikola Esiraku faya gaso Esirikola Ebigamba sirikola Esirikola Dorina kuka muntu Esirikola Munana Rakati Bulumaiga Kama no Maswaiga Lekutode Elesena Kugeda Murami Yandoka Elabutizira Gengia Omoto Zira Wolaga Olaka Pisaga Fondo Oya Mubantu Mbonde Wafuga Makabu Tiofunieta Oya Mubantu Tiofunieta Muchala Jamisa Koyo Lugambo Kobianti Wumola Koyo Shetu Ebigamba Sirikola Sirikala Esirasi Erumambo Sirikala Ebigamba Sirikola Sirikala Esiramu Kaya Kanto Sirikala Ebigamba Sirikola Sirikala Esiramu Kaya Kanto Sirikala Ebigamba Sirikola Sirikala Dorita Fuka Muntu Sirikala Nigasa makago Abolina Eyo muna izaireyo Yo wazambu banema Omi wairani Izoti amo sirike kukobenti yo sirikanga Kubanga mwaye mulisha weno Jafo disero ganga mwebaita Zindigo lai webaya Kafono ya ninde mwaira Mwaira Nujama maisa Nujama maisa Walahi Abenda byenkola mujebale je musiba timukola izo mudombolo munena ataidi kwemoti pero ningeliko ulu nimutyamba butyambe bakirako sanzira idagala kubanga bita obusungu bwange buli kwimwe bami bakosinda bwakosika timwenda kuduba mwendo nira timugula sabu ndabisika timugula bwito mwenda banira timugula bizigo musala n'abana bemutenda kukuza musala kyamuso takuba nembwe yona musala baki botenda kuona olenda ebala nengoye musala baki botange fuizi okukula obugoye bwona bampaka akatabo obutabokona kabula walero omukazi botanga kapito lero
mamala nazimbe numbote kufuizi omwana bwalwala akasimu wakuboli ekwala nengoye okwamba kwala munandiku Choli no kola, oyasala natasula yakoza. Nibalwana iwereta panado. Oyamba somo kaseketi wa wafuna. Wasanda manira ni uko bawana. Abana basome obate munembisa. Dabane biti wa chindu chikulo. Okubasabana kwa babiri. Ole mwakala ke wereta mando. Mama bwe mumula joya gaifwa. Bakula uniform ngai woyo sa. Iyo mama batenda kubulira. Obaniso muko batayenda kuchikola. Oyogera kubana jabana baleke. Yako zakana agazira mumpeke. Nasiba kunda lotikenda kubo waka. Iwa kokole mimolwa balutalo. Oya kumatala mwene makabwa kolasala. Asiba kulugamba abana bekechi. Okuluganda kukola abana bakopa. Otunga nobwenzi abana babona. Akutani mpata twamuboine. Wazunga nikolo singa ibo basiga. Sento kumalira musenta kulya mu bigodo. Okubire mbiyi basibye kundaji. Baba, chosa kumbesa ole kuswala. Gemeka wote esa weru mirisa mutima era bobati wasoma oidukira mu bukulu odesaga yandeka obo no mwaka gojire achichingwe cholaga okulanga zero iwesaga yakuleka kola esa weru bayamuleka Sina sawa, kaya mwigula misana, umusada sina saga, aida saga mwenda, anu mwezi ya zina saga bamwanga na munumba omukozi asira saga omulima tukalete esaga ya mukasa igogizani so yabulo mulimo muli bulungi misaza dadyansikiza niwo yomuziwolo yatulera okubona litya nze namalayo iwoyo waisisinga okangani omwana wadamu oya naidodo ibona ifisinga yachinga maziraisasi olabusula ina nakoswaka amwana omusana mukoboje byotikabitya tikakali mawulire okwenda mukamwino yakuka byanakyo obutite tukabitya omusala we yanabyote byotikabitya bigambo okukwogerwako ebigambo byogerwa kumulamu atambula katosoma wadereka vuba asomika malaba uto okwamalwa anonya emirimu balegeye empale ngabuli kwatuuka kintu kidogo ebyokweraga ife twabyeraga ebyeweyogeza ife twabibitamu ebyewebanga ife twabibona kula abantu balwanisa irogo iwozunga nabo sakotikakatya ukasula kulyazoyo tikamudya mawulire kuli oti musoda atumwogera ebitabagase kulitakanga alimazewo kuli watatunde iwona akulakire nabwire kuno oli musense akulekoyo iwona alimaga mutyama malya mufumbe oleyogezanga iwe mulingaku omusana mwenzazalane kulya omukobote iwe tikabitya alimawulire bazalane mumbwa nabyote iwe tikabitya kode yamutwala era nemuletera kona
mumukubireku obugalo obwamaani basabo ni banyabo aye nkusabira olunavire eno ebisooka eno nga gemwayawukana naye muli kiti kirala akitegere mukubira mukama engalo end'amaani basabo ni banyabo tulijja kuva endongo watujja okulimirwa esaawa naye ene mondikirize twakirize omwembi wa Kyabazinga ate nga omwana muwala Tina Baby.
Baba ni baba, bali kusente kutusa munumba kuwa ebyapa nga bakazi bawe kuwa omukwano nimubwire wakati yakuwa omukwano emonja moja yakuwa omukwano nimuzana peleke jakuwa omukwano sashapa wanini olikulaba ayawa ino omusogo owomerwa akutika yakwenda bisababo wakuwa buli kyolina abasoko bakambwe abakaita mukagade mwajifumba abayiwani mwafuuka baluganda olini mwabagana beeta balongo onamusoka ekini kibetosa nimwasiriza miragirira muliamaliro oseketalomusoka agere muwenge ingirawo saiza ndaka mugwere senja musoga saiza makira mugwere senenda musoga saiza ndaka mugwere senja musoga saiza makira mugwere senenda musoga sefira musoga
Chabazinga Tina Pepe Pulire obugalo bw'abasoga abatyaime wano naku lwaleero basabo ne banyabo butalwa tuli mu ndongo bembale tubawe buli kimuntu ky'asinga okwenda basabo ne bamundikire twalirize omwembi halo sema avuga awo obula
SK Events
mundikirize nalize omwembi wa Chabazinga afande Padamada
Come on.
amekona kwa mara ya sento sokati vile bakayania Yesu mumbe amesaidia Sinafa wakora Ndewoge kuna na kuna Sinafa wakora Ndewoge kuna wakora Ndewoge kuna wajabona Kula miteti wakora Ndewoge Ndewoge Uliaenda kadabada wani kemiko na biliye Mbone mwimba Kwa matoni mwana wa stani na chi Kampulira kalulu kabamisi waifwe Atemba kendi zako lewa kweta malaya mkubo tibaba wa taida Ayenga wuli steady Mukayenda mongere bane jire Mongere Musongere kumama na mtambo wali mukinile kwa alisaidi jie Aliga nagali bamishi aliga Aliga bieno ile tini mubona aliga Musongere ali mbona aliga Tabula mwenda Tabula muwa DJ ni wanjala dilia wainoko oya mama ni wage yatakufuanana kubatuni yomudankanu nije babudi wayo ulidewa umwana wabi
daga ekiso n'oba mpola tobuguuta na mama mwana ataseka tabala dikelwa mama mwana omukabe ne totonatona munaku ije pulo tulikola akalu tilikawulira kakadabada abe saidi gano muncha mwirina akalu tiliwulira ndikwenda okulya ebintu eyo omwoyo guli kutya omwana nanimutwairayo omwoyo guli kutya okuloba wali kwenda okusaba akalulwayo omwoyo guli kutya likyolinda zitulikola kino sabuti tuje ibabonayo ndikwenda okulya ebintu eyo omwoyo guli kutya omwoyo guli kutya okunoba nikwenda okusaba omubiri empapula denzirange amana nikutwairayo omwoyo guli kutya omwoyo guli omwana ebintu biri kulukundagana omubiri ebintu biri kutindagana abasajja bali kutya okutoya kayasi kali kufungana akolimu balumike muzika mwandikirayo obukozi bwaluzike ebintu biri kutindagana aye wamusambayo omwoyo guli kutekomera mutala ebintu byoko yamulembe mwokotemulembe mutuli ebintu biri kukyuka Yo bamuyiga akiti owobe wayo batandise okutunga ebintu biri kutunga ebintu biri kutunga ebizente bitambula ebintu byabatabuka ababuzente batambula byamutabula omwoyo guli kutuguda Fanne kadabada oyono mukubembe ba BTM network
era ni kwaba abaire basobola okuba bafuna emotoka
exactly twongera okubaniriza eno ku Etanda Falls era nga watu abakobye era we are at Miss Tourism 2025 2026 we are in a quest to look for the next Miss Tourism 2025-2026 tulina abawala okuva mubika okwambika nazo byendawulo ebyebusoga era nga bano balijja kuba wano nga batulaga boolesa ebitone byendawulo. When we say Miss Tourism, we are looking for that elegant figure alijja okukiikirira ebyobulambuzi byebusoga tuwaba ali kutambula omuntu yamubona asobola okuba the true definition of the Pearl of Africa abataidi Busoga in particular idinda nensonga lwaki Uganda bajeeta Pearl of Africa kubanga tulina source of the Nile. So omwana ina gwe tulijja okulonda ku lwaleero noyo omwana gwe balijja obonanga nga buli bamubona oba agireyo embala na source of the Nile wajja Karamoja babona Etanda Falls watambula yajja ku Dubai baba nga basobola obona busobooko abakatambula mwati babona kagulu. She's going to be the first of the tourism industry ya Busoga. Abatala n'ababi muli ba mukisa ino okuba mwegayise kwa abajo okola ebyafaayo olunaku olwaleero okuba ku live scene. Tulina tulina abajjajes ab'endawulo abalijja okuba nga bali mu kusalawo
abajoketa empaka dino
abalijja okiikirira abasigaire abamu kwiffe the rest of us tulina abajjajes bana inamba era nga kuno kuli ku Mr. James Mwere ono senior tourism officer mu Busoga Kingdom era nga n'oyo omwami aliwo ino awo twaba n'omukyala bamweta Sabira Nakawesa ono munamateeka she is a lawyer and she is an artist era nga ayembera oba akinira mu Nile Beat yena aliwo ino omukyala omukyala Musoga alina wengwise Busoga ebimuli nebyo omwana omubwaine. Then we have judge number 3.
Yes, sir.
No, bamweta Owolganiko Isabile Pius. Akole ku 87.7 radio ya Chabazinga. Baba FM.
Baba.
Aliwo ino awo.
Sada bamani bere.
Tulina judge number 4.
Tuje maiso.
Tulina judge number 4.
Yes, sir.
Omukyala Nabirio Rashida. She was formerly Miss Tourism Busoga 2023 in Tanda Falls. She was the figure for 2023.
Wow.
Tanda Falls. She was the first. Tanda Falls. Abachala n'abaami kusaawa eno mungame ndire ku nsonga eyatulese olunaku olwaleero. The reason as to why we are here tonight, it is to look for the next beautiful, amazing, good-looking ekimuli kya Busoga eky'ebyobulambuzi era nga kusaawa eno tulijja kuba nga tufunamu talent showcase ekisoga dance from the girls. Ladies and gentlemen, munegaite kutuba kubira engalo nga bayina DJ give me sound.
Amaina Mwasa George Uvira mu district ya Buyende Igombo la Kagulu ni foto sanusa Kagulu ku Lusozi. Timu eno eri olwa baba Chabazinga, olwa mama Kadaga, olwa mama Edeni Namutamba ifeka tutandikirewo n'ibintu byemulijo aboti abana bayimwe baba nabava mu masaza gona gemwidi babo tubalese
kale basage owo muno lokuna
start
Busoga.
Yes, boy.
But we have picked out the best of the best cream de la cream.
Yes, boy.
Ice cream. Your ice cream go there wow.
Yeah, wow. Feeling when I would have called it.
No man and got in there when they chew at all. Yes, because we pick cream de la cream. Walingiri da kamanu manu. Otegera tatuano niza. Walingiri da mibiri. Otegera tatuano niza. Walingiri da kasusu. Otegera tatuano niza. Yes, boss. And of course, as we told you earlier, to the Kumis Tourism Busoga, Nukumibiri Abina Itanu, Nukumibiri Abina Mukaga. Yes, Tulina outgoing Miss Queen Kagoya and Lisa, and they had a very beautiful, successful tenure. And all the Ministry of Tourism, yes, they gave them their best hobby, because I think everybody on the list was like, traveling is my best hobby. No Nipaka Dubai.
Mama Zena Fadari.
Exactly. So
Mama Nanje Mama Lito.
Tukamlunje. Jayo chiki ni zeta liquida. So tukamlunje so le bitena inumendo wajawa bona mama chako.
Ngamfeka ngayo no wetu.
But ladies and gentlemen, yes, right about now, as we told you earlier, to the Kumis Tourism Busoga Talent Musicians Association. And right about now, Mungande, I bring you one of the products of BTM Entertainment. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Triple Virus. Brothers, did you walk one? Talk to me, boss. Okay. Tawani busibu Triple Virus wabaja virus. It's coming is one of the BTM network. Mama Rebecca Alitola Kadaga, ni Mama Helen Namutamba, Beyasu is a motor era Jasta, Wabango Olimuna Mauli, Molunji, Olikredi, Oliku TV, Baba the motoka Iwe, Erange Batu Se, Kubana Bitune Bebu Soga. Promises made and promises kept. That's what we do, and we have to protect the games. Now when we have to protect the games. Ladies and gentlemen, Triple Virus, stage. I ain't got Jakubanga Aida anytime now. We have 5 judges in number. Eranga bakatwa yunga kumunga member komere kuba judges betwe tulina Mr. James Moire eranga no senior tourism officer mu Busoga Kingdom, twaba no muchala Sabia Nakawesa eranga ono Kansto era she is a lawyer muna mateka atera muna bitone eranga akolera muna Nile twaba no muchala no mwami owoluganiko Isabie Pius eranga no vaku 87.7 Baba FM twaba no muchalo wundi na video Rashida eranga ono yena. Yes, formerly she was Miss Tourism Busoga. Yes, Itanda Falls 2023. And just as you see them, they are a true representation of Busoga's greatness. Eranga fena batema wano. They have our voices, they have our powers, and I know they are going to judge it really nice. Omuchele na gotu jolo nda oluna kulwalero na bakobyeira nalita okuchikira ebyo bulambuzi bye Busoga. Twabali kutambula eyo omuntu wa mubona abona Itanda Falls, omuntu wa mubona abona Kagulu Rock Hill, omuntu wa mubona abona Igenge Palace, omuntu wa mubona abona Itanda Falls, yabona Busowoko, yabona bana bitone be Busoga. Oyo muwala olwalero iwa abali kutambula nga afulime munda ya Uganda. Tell me, asobola kutuuka bakoba ni kituufu ono ni nairo atera oyo omuntu takoma kubaawo abambebera. She is a virgin. Abana be Busoga bali bewe bitibwa oli kulumukolera buzibu ki wendokera ku birungi ngota. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, are we ready? We got me Triple Virus. Okay. Tulikwenda kwebaza abantu bano wamanga. Tell me. Tulikwenda kwebaza Sanyuka TV. Tulikwenda kwebaza Baba FM. Tulikwenda kwebaza Baba TV. Tulikwenda kwebaza bona ba media obenga batweka ise bona kubalero no. Mubakupira kwenga le damani no basaba ni banyabo. Kuba sali no tuli live ku TV. Kwaba live ku radio. Atera mungeri na ndala ngame nebaze ino Ministry of Tourism Busoga, Ministry of Tourism and Health of Busoga Tourism Board, Mama Right Honorable Rebecca Alitola Kadaga, and also the Minister for Tourism, Mama Honorable Helen Namutamba.
Yes,
Mami Kumite. Oyo yenka no mukumuntu.
Mami Kumite.
No mukubantu abali mu byebufuzi. She is among the people, together with Mama Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga, that make a promise and definitely they fulfill it. When they promise to take you to school, you will go to school. When they promise to give you Miss Tourism Busoga, you will get Miss Tourism Busoga. When they promise you a vehicle, you will definitely get a van. Now when I want to be babiti mwa bafunye.
Bafunye ya mwe.
Eranga mumani na mala mungane. Nebazaino media houses, media houses adenda ulo. Adili ku running at the show. Tuli Busoga Tourism page ku TikTok. Busoga Tourism page ku YouTube.
Yes,
Musonga nena tuli ku Baba TV, Baba FM, tuli ku Vision Media. Mwana mwebale ino, mwebale ila. DJ, are we ready to go? Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, wow.
Allow me welcome one of the baddest, talented, and of course product of the land. Give it up for Triple Virus. Need to check it out.
Baby, don't get me no man. Nizani abembe rusoka buli omuna kubendulu ngana kakandiko musiki gwadobokana abandi basetana abandi bange yengula abandi bakupanga ukapa befe byayemba ero kwembe sete ndi kutolamu andi katola mamani sema kwebo funa yemotoka awene kukisati yekunizani kumanga kubebi nasoka mwiganga unyola mwino musinyoka nafune nusu najone kwetawo nanga kubimami Nizani baby don't get me no Nizani abeza mapapene kona Nizani abeza mapapene wina Nizani komena mawanda Masamba baba se kusema byompeire Uwana kenjira nse nakemekitaja Mutini waka kuleka newane ku Munanga triple. They don't get any play. Wala. Na gawe le chini sabando manumira. Le kamu na kokada kunako. Ako sipia mu mikonusena nikita. Le wenduka wandu na basanduka. Anema sabi na kokada kamari. Kamari wako mamoni kulubinati. Muna kutu sebe yotulona na sola. Muna peke muna bandera. Oh, jamana kagani tukao. Nizani komanda mwawaya. Nizani baby don't get me no man. Nizani katonda kwa wechokulia. Machini na mwayo. Zemondeke mbibye ni ukubona kina zemondeke saruke wana wetu sebanange chachi subiraha nti sena mu busogani foko wa mani mukariyo anaso webale kuida webale no this people koleire chalazika wange woli kwandishoka wo baba webale kusoma akemba ulika koleire nandi kuisomero Para lumina wanaine batu Baba na muka nabo tikatakato Baba abatu badunia Wachipe walaka noti wakido Wino wakusinga ku Wacho ulipoka mwino gabenga sana u Wale moku sana u nyebo Ayi wala baka na mwaja monanda Ena deka bangege Ye wayokera mwega banenusu Omangika menusu Uwena wandikele yewe toyenda nusu Tokafirwa kumutuwo Webayo kwetuze mbuyamu waireyo Mama Kobyeze basira Ole ni wafa kuchalo mwenyo mijinije Songa chiba chisera je Sende yabana sinindi ni dola mama Mulio mwene chisera je Kamwino wawa wengulu josi mwenye Ole mwenye Lwachi badunera nga woba kuogema Ole bakusika Lwachi mumogenera nga chibumba nagaba Mulio mwene chisera je Kamwino wawa wengulu josi mwenye Ole mwenye Lwachi badunera nga woba kuogema Ole bakusika Lwachi mumogenera nga chibumba nagaba Oye bano basingaku Akema ngole yakireyo Mama Bana ngoli mutaimu yo Mulichoke manga kuchibanga bocheze Ngati chisera cho Nimosada kisana chichuka mu Bana ngati chisera cho Oidaja mubayiga otunde nebali Ngoli mutaimu yo Omulosi ni wotamu wakalulu obisemu Mama Bana ngoli mutaimu yo Oleni wakuloga ngapa imakeyekeye Ngade chisera cho Kulikukwana nga munezira aloba Aye kati chisera cho Iwe ni kuto nakalina mapumanga bwa kitwe Mama nyamo Kuba Minister Mbonde niga Muli chitu kosi mama jamu Mama Eleni Mama Eleni Kona Omanga kaka Okati tola yo Megaziza mama Muju Benye mulo yo mwebuzani ya raga Atengeza ya raga Mwana wetu alina mubisera bye Wulira Ola nye kubyo musiki Aye wenina stage Chibankuba obukebe Wano Nzeko zemirimo Buli mwaka bapolomotinga Aye jimbe yakaida Era kwene yali aidi neitanda atonda Buli radio yaminga Lwaki zunganga todye sidinayo Muhali yanulanga Airera sikakula Bandi bababologa Ekisana tetawa kwira Babwino waba wengulu tosi mumutwe Oli mutimuyo Lwaki badondera Awoba kuongema Mukaliyo Mwemale kuida Pulo Akemba kanonika wereza muli wafitina aligano Amadi kademyo kubwa kwa ile mweze gagwe Aja ifetu balina Mama ngali muteveze chija kudema Mama nuerele ilala ifetu mbana Botu ija kupile nongo paka lasi Nane stop DJ Peace Woyogolo Nema serifoni kafunzo utakula mena siwa Sipo kuita nidansonga Neki ndi msirise Katoso sonisa Nimo kambo ino kubyange Elie vitu yenya Ukumu ino kukole vinu mira Ngatari zimba Sengida kwebyo vyendo geireku Awe mchibuzo chembozisa Mchiwe mwere no palapayo Tole kale kamalo Ilifenya kulido vyoni nanga Nasika kutembera yo Uzeni mama Uzeni koma nene Uwe mama itondi muyobote Solomo mosa zabusaze Usinga ni kompyuta do Ni udono mbombo ino msaizi Aya zikola mukilo Nakumba kaputo kanomaya Kamo sabagala Utabwenda nise Sipo faida sajanga tibia mbrate Uzeni kusomesa Eno dita imu yange Abakoba mujja kugwa Odongi Kuba na idatilire inuma Mama Ina wale manigine kola Kale niwo mpala nomala bisira Kuna miro omuzini Echokuwa omusoga kisifuma Chifu katone yatonda yachimana Ngadi naba mubusoga Nasandibwa n'empwitu Nofobwa nakubuziza Mchibwewele yo palambayo na malaku Ninatole kale kamalo Ifende mulindo byoninanga Naswika kutegera yo Yo palambayo na malaku Ninatole kale kamalo Ifende mulindo byoninanga
Nina weserisa ososola gwedike siwuka wulira buli lwofuuka omusirisa omuntu akumanirira ino akakola mugogo gwa muddu ayita ebigera akuutireko ole wakwana omukyala wo omunoonezanga jambiya akwana omusaada wo omupangiranga gakufa bano wasula eweseza awena olumba ga Juma wamufumbira enkoko awena olunga sekoko akwendezanga ikomera bw'omumanya omupangiranga gakufa ole wakulungira obutwa awena otabula kombola ole waloga omwana wo wena musula iralu
Thank you so very much, Triple Virus and Joker. Okay, thank you so much, Triple Virus. Thank you so much for joining us tonight.
Yes,
we are at Itanda Falls, one of the biggest falls in Uganda.
Yes, sir.
I want to say in East Africa at large.
Yes, sir.
And this is the home where you come for serene peace. You want to go for vacation with your wife, with your girlfriend, or with your family. You are a head teacher to a certain school, and you're looking for where to take your students or your children. Itanda Falls is a place to be here. Very many activities happen here. Eranga woleta wano omuntu yena photo moments. Make sure you keep it because we're going to go to once at Itanda Falls. Mwena mwebaleno kutwa yungaku. And I want to let you know we are in the quest searching for the next Miss Tourism 2025, 2026.
Yes.
And as I told you earlier, our outgoing Miss 2024, 2025, Queen Kagoya Anlisa, she's in the house. So soon she'll be here. And to all our beautiful judges, big shout outs to you. And a very beautiful way, allow me to appreciate and thank the Ministry of Tourism, Busoga and Heritage for making this happen. This is according to me, I don't know to other people, but according to me, the only ministry that promises and delivers. Okay, they promise and they deliver, they speak and they act. Thank you so much, Honorable Helen Namutamba, for being a generous and a person of actions and less words. And to Right Honorable Mama Rebecca Atwala Kadaga, Webaleno Mama Kwenda Diabulambuzi Biabusoga, even amidst First Deputy Prime Minister of Uganda, Member of Parliament Kamuli District, she is the Minister East African Community, Chairperson Busoga Tourism Board.
Ni MOP
exactly. And also at the same time, allow me to appreciate Busoga Ababide Okuva Ewala no Kumpi Okwida Okutwega Itaku as we look for the next beautiful, amazing, good-looking, smiling baby of tourism, Busoga. And I promise you one thing for sure, you appointed to never list. I give you a number or some of the names of our participants tonight. We have 16 queens in number. From different chiefdoms of Busoga. Miss Tourism wa Busoga Tulina queen number 1, contestant number 1. Tulina Nangobi Tabitha.
Nangobi Tabitha.
Okuva Muluwuka Chiefdom. We have Mwebaze Slivia Marina from Luwuka. Exactly. Tulina Konso Faithani Chisache Hope. Okuva Mubukoli Chiefdom. Twabani Kalegere Fiona. Okuva Ebula Moji Emiaka 22. Twabani contestant number 14. Babi the Patience. Okuva Mubugwe Chiefdom. And that's why Mutesi Angela Okuva Mubusiki, contestant number 16, Bamweta Nawaguna Anisha Okuva Mubukono. Exactly. Back to you on top. Sima abamukwabo abakozani fona kulwalero.
Yes, abo. Nikwenda kubanga tusimira yela bana Baba TV, Baba Media, Baba buli kimu. Mweba ino mweba ila na ino kusima wanaife abasanyuka NBS mweba ino mweba ila na ino kusima wanaife abavuire mu marabi abakampuni akusingirwa era mwebale kubanga mwemerezawo mbera ya Busoga ate mwebale kubanga mwemerezawo ebyobulambuzi bwa Busoga. Ndikwenda okwebaza NBS Busoga wanu mwena alimutatwala ngoko mwicho chemutaire kuito faida ife mutugera kwino. Nzena nayongera okwebaza ku bamama abatuzalira abambenda balena abalieno abali kujja okubanga balondebwa obugaona ku lero musoke mbakubira ku bugalo obwamaani eno.
Era mumani na Mr. One Drop abana bano balina emisono gy'endawulo gye balijja okuleta ku showcase ku stage wano, different versions and different styles. Era nga nendo bategeeza nti Sifo Tunga ni designer ali behind all the looks, all the engonono gye mulibona emisono emirembe gyonna gye muli gy'obona wano olunaku lwa leero. Sifo Tunga ni designer w'olunaku era nga ono ayaganibwa ku Nizam Road mu Jinja City. Glory to God. I don't know what this is. Glory to God building. Eranga ono akola ebyemisono eby'endawulo. Buli wobona omuntu yenna amerememe wano mu misono gy'endawulo ng'egiri gy'okwirawo bano ni ba Sifo Tunga. Ladies and gentlemen, mungambe mbakobere ebimu ku byobulambuzi ebiri mu Busoga One Drop. You come through.
Yes, sir.
Mungambe mbakobere ku bimu ku byobulambuzi ebiri mu Busoga. And I will start with the biggest and of course internationally recognized source of the Nile. And then in Songalwachi, Uganda is called the Pearl of Africa because when the explorers came to Uganda, Mwata kumasomero mwakobanga Uganda the Pearl of Africa. The Pearl of Africa. And Songalwachi Uganda bajeta the Pearl of Africa.
Yes, sir.
And Songerindala source of the Nile. Abagwire wabaida mu Iwanga lya Uganda batuka ku source of the Nile bako watubaire mu bifo by'endawulo tusunze tutambwire tuyizeno watutuse mu ebenda tukwire ku kifo ekikasinze kunira mu Africa yona yona bako but this is definitely the Pearl of Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, muchukubire ko obugalecho okubanga Busoga nelina Pearl of Africa. Source of the Nile eyaganibwa mu Jinja City. Tulina Itanda Falls olunaku lwa leero wetuli wano muli wuliraga ku bakerere eyo ni Itanda Falls era nga wano formally waliwo ekivulo kimu ku binene mu Uganda celebrating international artists, international entertainment. Yege yali wano ku Itanda Falls formally twaba ni Busowoko Falls eno wojayo ojamama gakola massage gakugolola omugongo
wajo okuvayo nga omugongo gutereire
era waboli mwami oliyeyo nga mukazi wa ina agala gakalwa jaku Itanda jaku Busowoka abandi gakugemegemamu gatereza omugongo
ndiwulira.
DJ, are we ready to go? Still tulina Kagulu Rock Hill enote twali last year tulikuno ne Mr. eranga yona eriyeyo woboyenda akola physical exercise. You are a mountain climber or you are a wrestler, you are an athlete, you're looking for where to do your exercises from. Kagulu Rock Hill is right there for you. Ladies and gentlemen, right about now, Mungane, I bring you the 16 beautiful flowers of Busoga Kingdom as they come for the self-introduction. DJ, drop it off. DJ, give me sound.
Mana mukube ndulu mulwasira ambazinzeko. Kabeliro bale. Mana mwenda bekubu muno lokadikino na kucheme afumvuwe. Oishi watu babla na joko kuna ndoke baba tere babla tere soge tere mara mara tere baba tere
Mwasire mtebanya ni basebo Amaina gange nizona ngo bitabita mvile mruka mvile misazeri eruhuka etwarwa baba Wellington na bana tabingwa ndine myaka 22 nzalibwa mwami wekia Wilson awang ateme misazeri eruhuka azalibwa nguli aliwo wekia Christmas nomshala nango nsala nzalibwa mshala nabire Edith ateme misazeri eruhuka nefe mashibe ndimisemlawa nefe mashibe omusiro gwange katikati enkuni yange robanda Ombala gwange guvuga guti bulawa bona bona bulawa bona bona bulawa mudoko nanko sambi tomulagala kweyanda webakwetanga okulya oidanga n'akabyako nosoma busawo Kabale School of Comprehensive Nursing mwebale kumpuliriza. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nangoli Tabitha. I'm 22 years from Luka Chiefdom. I studied nursing at Kabale School of Comprehensive Nursing. My dad's name is Wekia Wilson. My mom is Nabide Edith, currently residing in Luka District. Thank you.
Msiya mchaya basabo ni banyabo ninze konsofai okuva misaza lya Kigulu nina emyaka 2 na mulala nasoma ebyanviri ku itendekero lya Northwind ndi mwise Mugundo nzalibwa mwami Daniel Elias Kungu ate imwe mwisaza lya Kigulu azalibwa nguli aliwo Kungu Yowas agalamire mwisaza lya Bukoli nzalibwa omukyala Taligeda Fatina ateime mwisaza lya Kigulu ndi mwise Mugundo nevumambwa omuzira omutono Kidde enkuni ibinga omubala gwange guvuga guti namugundo ekyakuzimbya kunjira butalya kyowa omukazi osalangamu wakiwa omwana alikulira neyanziza ino. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Konsofai from Kigulu Chiefdom. I'm 21 years old. My father's name is Davang Daniel Elias Kungu from the Mugundo clan. My mother's name is Taligeda Fatina from the Waisetoli clan, who are currently living in Kigulu Chiefdom. Thank you.
Kabiri lubaye mwana mwenda kuko muno lokabikino nako kyememu afumvuwe abaishe bantu nabula nakyo kuna tuloke baba tirire bibone atirire nabula tirire atirire asoke tirire bibone atirire.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. DJ. One of Omukuba no betulina wano Omukuba no betulina wano bajamu like they're going to translate for her tasobola kwogera. And of course now we need to Mr. Rizimbusoga buli omuntu muwa opportunity regardless of who they are, because disability and lack of ability, we know that all of us, yeah. So judges, I kindly request you to pay attention. Yes, so Adija Kubanga Akola, and we have the translator right now. Thank you so much. Let's do it. The mic. Translator, okay, just a little bit, come on stage. Okay.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Amina Gangeni Nzene Gagadori. Nine myaka 2 nena nsibuka Butembe Chiefdom langa ndi undergraduate ni Bachelors of Industrial Art and Design okuva Kyambogo University. Mama wange ni. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nega Gadarin, 24 years old, from Butembe Chiefdom, graduate with a Bachelor's of Industrial Art and Design from Kyambogo University. My mother is Namuswa Christian from Commercial Zone. My clan is Kisubi, totem is Lion.
Okay, thank you so much. Yes, ebe tukola ku Mr. Rizim buli omuntu muwa opportunity regardless of who they are. Thank you so much. Next contestant.
Musibye mteo basewe ni banyabo. Amaina gangani zene gaga Sharon Mukuske. Ngavirire mu isaza lye bunole bunanumba. Ndina emyaka 22 era nga nkola diploma mukongera ku mutindo gw'ebisolo ku Busitama University Arapai Campus e Soroti. Nzalibwa omwami Mukuske Richard, azalibwa omwami Mukuske Nathan, n'inguli aliwo Musenero Zamu agalamirire mu isaza lye bunole. Nzalibwa omukyala Mutesi Sarah omwisa ekidodo awangalire mu isaza lye buna. Naye asiza mwebale kumpuliriza. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Negaga Sharon Mukuske. I'm from Bunole Bunanumba Chiefdom. I'm 22 years old and I'm pursuing a degree in animal production and management at Busitama University, Arapai Campus in Soroti. I'm from the Inchimba clan and my father's name is Mukuske Richard and my mother's name is Mutesi Sarah. Thank you for listening to me. Musibye mutabasebo ne banyabo muli obulungi. Amaina gange bandeta Mukyala Dorcas. Nina emyaka 22 era nga nsinzire mu isaza lye Bugabula. Ndi mwana musomi era nga nsomera ku itendekero lya Makerere nga ndikola degree mu byakabwidibwidi oba byete teknologiya. Era nga ndi mwaka gwange gwa kusatu. Ndi muwala wa omwami Bwamiki Godi, mutabani wa omwami Bwamiki Geoffrey, wala n'omukyala Kyakwoire Monica abawangalire mu isaza lye Bugabula. Naba muwala wa omukyala ndi Mukulaga Joy, muwala wa nguli aliwo ndi Mukulaga Mesulamu agalamire mu isaza lye Bugabula. Ndi mwana Mwisengobi era nga ndi mwana Mundeeda ne Mapongo Ensibuko Bunolo Enkumi Butimbiito. Omubala gwange guvuga guti kali kabaita, kali kabaita, kali kabaita. Bulangira Butimbiito tusangeire bukina. Obuseka buva kungi neyanziza abasebe ne banyabo. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very happy to be here with you today. My name is Mukyala Dorcas. I'm 22 years old and I'm apparently representing Bugabula Chiefdom. I'm a student at Makerere University pursuing a bachelor's degree in software engineering. I'm in my 3rd year. I'm a daughter to Mr. Bwamiki Godfrey together with his darling wife, Miss Mukulaga Joy. Thank you so much for listening. Musibye mutabasebo ne banyabo. Amaina gange ninze Babirye Patience nga nviirire mu isaza lye Bugweri. Ndina emyaka 2 nga nasoma ebyokutunga okuva ku Busoga Zone Presidential Industrial Hub nga nva mu kika ekyabayise Entambi nga nzaalibwa omwami Ziraba John ateime mu isaza erye Bugweri n'omukyala azalibwa omwami nguli aliwo Tirutangwa Antonio n'omukyala nguli aliwo Mutesi Lovisa. Mama wange n'omukyala Birungi Susan ava mu kika ekyabayise Igulu Nevuma nsuma omuziro gwange nvubu nga enkuni yange mawagala ngera ngo ombala gwange guvuga nti obutambi butono omwana omuwala nte obubunda bwakaidde okuli okwiguta bulibwe dandanda neyanzizamwe bale kumpuliriza. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Babide Patience from Bugweri Chiefdom. I'm 21 years old. I studied fashion and design from Busoga Zone Presidential Industrial Hub. I'm from Tambi clan. My father's name is Ziraba John and my mother's name is Rudy Susan. They are currently living in Bugweri Chiefdom. Thank you.
I'm 21 years old. I'm currently pursuing a diploma in tourism and travel. I'm a student at Valunywa Leadership Academy. I'm from the Muaya clan. My father's name is Muaya Hakim, residing in Butebe Chiefdom. My mother's name is the late Nakagolo Lukia Kauma. Thank you for listening.
Wow. Ira wale weno okubemba omubalago owulira Filipo
betwakwata okwasama ebisigere ne tubyerabira binaano. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, katusubire muli kunumirwa mulio
musooke mukubire abaana abo engalo ez'amaanyi.
Obugalo obundibwa mama Helen Namutamba.
Bona bufuke kampulira obugalo bwa mama Rebecca alitwala Kadaga.
Gabunjino
mumale mukubba obugalo bwa His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
Atenga tongera batekeza nga 15
Yes, sir.
we are protecting the gains. We're making sure we protect the peace, we protect the stability, we protect the development, we protect the economy, and we protect the education and the health sector of Uganda. Come that day, t-shirt toyambaire erino ya wokuta tiki. Ladies and gentlemen, nendo bategeza itengeje tuli ku Eternal Falls. There are people that reside here and they are talented people. Bana bitone eranga balina ebitone balijja kwida babenga batusanusamu.
Sangaire ba mama abagwire kamuti sangaire ba baba abasoga bagwire ruuka sangaire baba abasoga bagwire bisiki sangaire baba ngoma zatulira sangaire banafe mwe balokwiga Sangaire baba be mayuge Sangaire Mananga Bebutembe Sangaire Rata Waite Batema Weba Lokuteka Teka Baba Eti Sempe Wabra Kaba Bide Mutakaya Sangaire Baba Sangaire Baba Tina Baba Angotituna Sangaire Baba Sangaire
ogw'amaanyi omwana abala bava kwemba ano bandidusa we nayemberanga maama.
Ladies and gentlemen, yo one drop
wanjise
iwaje okunyenya mu kwekiwato abantu bali bafuwa
nsaba kali kufuwa
olupango ko ambrenti ya demi iwe chenche bulano kiwato ali wala akubone alike wabwa green na bwa papo
wale bizibu nine bizibu bingi Budeze manoza jya kubembera bwembere kadodi
olinja kwa kadodi
abali eno mulete sente
ocho
aba kuno mulete sente
ocho
tudidu sawano
ate mama abe kukido mama nategera ye mugaga wo kusudia mu kizimbe
mama nabadumira abadale kachi taya matala.
Ladies and gentlemen, one drop Bades boy let them know
Museveni
Mama kakaya
Ije kuba sangala sangala no mugeni yena sangala kuba kuba kuba
abachala abani bamusebeni abachala abani bamusebeni bana abasindira ini bamusebeni bana abatenga chuchu bamusebeni bana abatenga obubina bamusebeni bana abanenye obunenye bamusebeni ate bana aba ewe bamusebeni bana ababuzo obuzi bamusebeni tontiku muwani wasebeni amana muwani wasebeni amakuba kuba 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 mwetigire kuba kuba yakadaga kuba bole 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 kuba kuba yakadaga kuba bole 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 kuba kuba yakadaga kuba bole 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 kuba yakadaga nako kuba tenete useme ni yako
kati tulikaikane
mutimba ile kaleta mbaenda kuingiza kwota ile walalabo
okuba kati sako balike tudaba ila manko tu
muti
thank you so much
mukobe mama muliwulira mukobe mama muti abembi bongere esente ifo tuyiye buye wabwemba
ekyo kyende ate kyabakole aide wano na solo message akukema waneno akusplashing aye bana muli basanu fino
tini kwawo
ne kwawo
timuvuire mumpewo
Mama Kadaga oye! Mama Kadaga oye! Aya kati tuile yo buyaka soka tuotereze tuile bulungi ku program
mama namutamba
tuile ku program
mama namutamba wabali kuilo muli oguli ogokufu
bakufune wenka
amfuweze wenka
stage abita ku
mama woira fu ilibumbu
abita nolino naleti kale thank you so much to Yanti Saido agona masanalaze. That is what we are trying to protect, and that's what we say when we say we are protecting the gains.
Protecting the gains.
Tulikuma ebimukwebyo abaja mu nsiko bye balwanirira.
NRM government ina 10 points program. Ku 10 points program diriku national security.
Yes.
Kuliku iwe joyina okuba nti woboli olina okutegeera nti emirembe gibawooli. NRM government eriko banti ejja ku empowering woli eyo ni government ya NRM
nechona awo tuliwenda atera ne mana mala ndo batekeza NRM government nesonga lwachi olwalero tuli Thunder Falls, and of course we are celebrating beauty, we are celebrating style, we are celebrating elegancy. Amani na mara mwachinamu mwabuka buka mu ate mama ya mara yabafuwa ni sente.
Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen,
we have the queens ready. Okay, allow me appreciate C4 Tunga Fashions for the
yes,
Sam Road Mujinja City.
Yes,
wali kwenda bintu bya misono, olina embaga, olina omukolo, olina pate, olina birthday party, oli kwenda muntu alijo kolera obulungi ku mukolo gwo. C4 Tunga Fashions is one of our very own. Atena mani na malala mungane ne basaino one top MC ni boys ababana ba musiki bana ba mama
corporate now yes Douglas one more thing I would like to tell Mukaire ntibale bakuba olusekolu wa wansi ife tuli ba corporate mama tusobola kweta bantu tukine so feno ndakutulingamu. But yes, tonight my name is Aaron Fiesta. Nedo kubategeza tujja kuba nga tutambula paka. It is a night where we're celebrating beauty in Jinja. It is a night where we're celebrating beauty in Busoga. Kusaweno tujja kuba nga tuleta aba. Okay,
tulikujamu maiso talent. We are coming up for the next showcase, talent showcase. Ladies and gentlemen, we are having the next contestant on stage. DJ Aaron Fiesta is also a spokesperson MC. Akoni Smart FM. One gentleman that looks really great. Big up on yourself, outgoing misses. I see you looking so good in your gowns and your sashes. You look so amazing. And we are to have you so soon on stage to come and say one or two words. Yeah. Ababana bemubona wabanirira wabali awa omwoyo chenti. Baba mu mafuta ganoni last year. Baja Dubai, Baja Sente. Those are the true definitions of planned queens. Yeah. I want to not to the Jatake. So say bye-bye to the beautiful times. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, we have in the next contestant on stage. Contestant number 10. DJ, give me sound.
I speak with empathy because every girl's dream deserves to be heard. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. My name is Sacha Hope from Bukoli Chiefdom. I'm going to present a poem entitled My Dream. Welcome. I have a dream that will never fail. My present situation notwithstanding, it's a mere passing cloud. Every mighty king was once a crying baby. tree was once a tiny seed. Every tall building was once on paper, and so is my dream. This journey seems so long, but I'll not give up. The pathstones all over, yet I'll never live in dismay. Things seem not to work my way. I'll not give up, for there is the one thing I know. Every day of my life is a page of my history. Every step that I take is a move to my glorious destiny. And so I dream my dream. It's not where I am, but where I'm going that matters. My future has nothing to do with my past or present. The hard times I've had make me stronger and better. The inner courage within me doesn't throw, it just whispers. And so I dream my dream. Thank you.
Thank you so very much. Brilliant, elegant. DJ sound low. DJ sound low. DJ sound low. DJ sound low. Thank you. Brilliant and elegant queens. They have beautiful skin tones, beautiful voices, smart brains, and they are a true representation of what Busoga is. Now, what you've just seen here is what we call poetry. And she is a poetess, and she's just dropped us one of the best. Ladies and gentlemen, we have in the next contestant. Contestant number 1 on stage. And we are on Talent Showcase to the This is what we call eritone. Libide mukubitone ebiri mu busoga oyinza okuba eyo ng'obeera toyidi ng'olina ekitone. Ono omwana ajja akola wano ekintu otegere nti wona olina ekitone. Talent Showcase Miss Tourism Busoga 2025-2026. Next contestant, contestant number 1. You're welcome. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nangobita Bitha from Lucas Chiefdom. I'm here to present my talent, Soga dance. Thank you.
whoa. Everything any kwa whoa. Okay, contestant number 4 is coming up next on stage. Iranga Liquidina to Wachiton Tome. She's coming to give us a poem just like the first contestant. Okay, I'm gonna give you the microphone. Okay, thank you. Yes, Miss Tourism Buso Gatitu Sosola Muntu Yena Yena, because we believe disability and inability. So we have a contestant and she's gonna be telling us what she's got for us. Attention, thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Naiga Gadori. I am going to perform a poem and the title is Laughter Has No Sound. People say that the deaf people cannot joke. Let me show you. I love you. Mbendeno. Laughter has no sound, but it speaks in various languages. She bows. Thank you.
Thank you so very much. Yes, that's why we tell you, Miss Tourism Busoga, Eramu Busoga, Tushagwa Tusosola, or your Muala, Tasoba Pogera Ayate, are part of the contestants, Eranga, Chasoba Irokolane Cho. So when I wobolie yo, Golina Obule Mukumubiri, Tichtekazan Tosobola. That is what we are trying to communicate here. So believe in yourself and keep pushing. This can be a platform for you tomorrow and keep believing in yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, next contestant on stage, Miss Tourism 2025-2026. Get it going.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Impaji Jemima from Buna Chiefdom. I'm going to perform a soga dance.
Thank you so much, Mpaji Jemima. And here we go. Somebody take up this. Oh no, okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, tukaja maiso mwebale no kunumirwa mwebale no kubaho tukali ku Eternal Falls tukanonya Miss Tourism 2025-2026 era courtesy of the Miss Tourism and Ministry of Tourism and Heritage Busoga eranga omubebe mubabede mamigumite Honorable Helen Namtamba webale no ni Mama Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwala Kadaga. Ladies and gentlemen, next contestant on stage.
Contestant number 5.
Oh, contestant now. We got our contestant number 5. Jamaiso.
And I can't sweep you off of your feet. With your mouth still remember. With your eyes still smile from the truth.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I'm Muchala Dokas, representing Bugabla Chiefdom. Once again, I'm contestant number 5. Today I'm going to present to you a poem about Busoga, a poem praising Busoga. Thank you so much. Be blessed as you listen. Busoga, my home. When dawn whispers to Sangaire, my spirit follows the dawns of the car to a kingdom carved in sunrise. Busoga, where kingdoms are carved in sunrise. Busoga, where the sun and the wind meets tomorrow. I'm sorry. Once again, I'm going to present to you a poem. Busoga, my home. When dawn whispers to Sangaire, my spirit follows the dawns of the car to a kingdom carved in sunrise. Busoga, where culture stands tall like Igenge and the wind bows down to the past. You ask, Busogeriwa, follow the road east, where the Nile takes its first breath, where the wind carves the shining sunrise. Busoga, a necklace of districts shining bright. Jinja, the city of beginnings. Iganga, the heartbeat of trade. Kamuli, the storyteller's home. Pujini with words speaking in riddles. Mayuge, the island dancer. Kalilo, the well of discipline. Namayingo with gardens dancing in the sun. Namtumba laughing in the sun. One kingdom, many drums, one song. Lusoga, oh Lusoga, soft like cotton, deep like the nail path, that even your worries feel like removing their shoes. In Busoga, a stranger becomes family. To Sangaire, Pamwiti Koko. Here, hospitality is not just a habit, it is a heartbeat. In Busoga, the Busoga women, breast-rooted in the land, with their beauty that walks before them. The Busoga men, builders of destiny, that with their sweat writing tomorrow on the land. So come see. Come test, Mwide. Let Busoga wrap around you like a soul. Let the nail baptize your wonder. Let Busoga show you why some homes are not visited. They call you by name. Busoga, Wamaka, Wabuangwa, Wabulamu. A kingdom that is not just lived, but it's experienced. Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much. Listen to DJ. Did you just listen to all those beautiful, amazing compliments about Busoga? Busoga, the time when it whispers to Sangaire Mabe Kampala, to Sangaire Mabe Mandije, to Sangaire Mabe Mbalara, to Sangaire Mabe Kabale, to Sangaire Mabe America. Wow, that was so beautiful. What a fusion of language. What a beautiful piece. Ladies and gentlemen, we have another contestant.